Hi everyone, we're looking at a very popular Swiss Army knife. This is Victorinox Champion Plus. It's one of the popular model on the internet. Okay, so this one comes with a user guide. Basically shows you how to use each tool. And there's a lifetime warranty information on this one as well. Okay. Alright, that's the guide. And this knife is quite thick because it has 30 stainless steel tools on this one. Very useful. Let's look at them one by one right now. So first we have the small blade, and on the other side it's the large blade. One you can use to cut meat, one you can use to cut fruit. Okay, that's the knife. And then we have the metal saw, and there's nail files and metal files on two sides. Let me zoom in for you here to see closely. So that's a metal saw. Okay, and then we have the wood saw. Okay, so this is the wood saw. This wood saw is easy to use because the length is not enough. Alright, and next one we have the ruler, and this is also a fish scale. So one side shows the metric system, the other side shows the inches American system. So this is fish scale, easy to use to clean the fish, and the hook disgorger on the tip. This one is very useful. Okay, and the next one we have, let's see, is the my favorite, large scissors. Swiss Army scissors is very easy to use, especially on this model, the larger one. It has spring action, very functional. Okay, good. Now after that we have Phillips head screwdriver. This one is easy to use because it has long reach. Some of the Phillips head screwdrivers in the back, so you hold like that, it's not easy to use. But this one is better. Okay. Then opposite side of the Phillips head screwdriver we have this magnifying glass. Okay. Let me show you here. As you can see, it works pretty well. In the survival situation, some people use this magnifying glass to make fire. I've never tried it. I'm not sure how effective is that, but I can see this is possible. Okay, then we have a standard can opener with a flat head screwdriver. Very effective can opener. Then there's the flathead screwdriver, large flathead screwdriver with bottle opener and the wire stripper. Easy to use. Okay, that's all the tools on this side. Look at the other side. We have the cork screw to open the bottle of wine. Very easily designed, very easily used, and good design. That's what I mean. And this one is the tiny flathead screwdriver. It's perfect to tighten the screw on your glasses. Okay, and it's secured with the corkscrew. Alright. The next one we're looking at is the wood chisel. It's small, but it's sharp. Let me see if I can zoom in for you here. Okay, it's very sharp. Alright. Then the next one we have here is the small flat height screwdriver. And then there's the hook for general use. Okay. Last one is the reamer. This reamer has hole in it. Okay. That's it for all tools on this side. And as standard Swiss Army knife, it comes with a keyring, effective, good design tweezer, very easy to use. Okay, that's the tweezers. And then this is the Victorinox logo. On the other side we have the toothpick. And for the Champion Plus model we have a ball pen. It's tiny pen, but it's functioning. It's very small to hold in hand, but you can still use this to write. Okay, so that's the pen. That's all tools for this Champion Plus model. It's very useful. If you can carry it in the backpack, it would be very good. But it's just too thick to put in the pocket, and it's not light. But with all those 30 some tools, I think it's good to put in your backpack and just take it when you go camping. Thanks for watching. I'll have the item link below.